Mailerlite tutorial. So let's get into it. Alright, first things first. Head over to the Mailerlite website and click on Sign Up. You'll need to fill in your company name, email, and a solid password. Make sure that password is strong. We don't need any security breaches around here. After that, click Create My Account, and don't forget to check your email to confirm and activate your account. Easy peasy. Once you've signed up, Mailerlite will ask you to complete your profile. Basically, you'll need to provide more info about your business for verification. You won't be able to send any emails until you've confirmed your account, so just fill out the required details on the dashboard, request confirmation, and you'll be good to go. Now that we're all set up, let's take a quick tour of the Mailerlite dashboard. It's pretty straightforward, so don't stress. Campaigns. This is where you'll create and manage your email campaigns. You can send regular emails or set up A/B tests. Subscribers. Here's where you can manage your subscriber lists. You can segment and group them to target specific audiences. Forms. Want new subscribers? This is where you'll design your sign-up forms. You can choose between single or double opt-in. Automation. This is where the magic happens. You can set up automated emails like welcome emails or follow-ups. Sites. Yes, Mailerlite also lets you create landing pages and even full websites. More on that later. Now it's time to create your first campaign. Head to the Campaigns section and click on Create Campaign. You can choose to send a regular campaign or set up an A/B test to see which version of your email performs better. Give your campaign a name, and then hit Save and Continue. Now, use the drag-and-drop editor to design your email. Add in some text, images, buttons, whatever you need to make it look awesome. Super easy. Once your email is designed, it's time to select your recipients. You can pick specific segments or groups from your subscriber list. Make sure to review your subject line and pre-header text before you hit send. You want everything to be perfect. Next up, let's talk automation. Head over to the automation section to create automated workflows. This is where you can set up emails that send automatically, like a welcome email when someone subscribes or a follow-up email after a purchase. Trust me, automation will save you tons of time. Okay, let's talk about landing pages. Go to the Site section and click on Create Site. You can either create a full website or just a landing page. For now, let's go with a landing page. Pick a template, customize it to fit your brand, and then connect it to a subscriber group. That way, new signups are automatically added to your list. Easy. Now that your campaigns are rolling, it's time to track performance. Mailerlite gives you analytics tools to check open rates, click rates, and overall engagement. This data is super important for tweaking your future campaigns and making them even better. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to creating successful email marketing campaigns, automating your emails, and building landing pages that convert. If you need more detailed guidance, definitely check out some tutorial videos on YouTube. But for now, you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.